Hi, Lazy Keto Clean Lisa here today. We are going to make a delicious, easy, simple, and crowd-pleasing favorite of our family, Asian sesame ginger and vegetables with some ground meat. It is delicious. I pre-cooked my ground meat, froze it. Usually on weekends I like to cook up a couple pounds and put them in bags. So on a quick night that I need to have dinner ready real fast, I can just throw it together. You also could use some frozen peppers if you wanted to. I just happen to have some cut up from another recipe I did, and you can get a bag of frozen peppers and onions, would make it even more simple. Bean sprouts, I love them. Some people in the family don't, so you can really make this your own. We got some green beans, broccoli, and then I'll serve it over some riced cauliflower. You could easily make that into fried rice just by adding an egg in the pan. I don't have that much time tonight, so I'm not going to go that far with it. But first I'm going to put some sesame oil in my pan. I already put a little bit. We're going to get a little more to get these peppers and onions cooked up. So I'm going to add my red, yellow, and orange peppers. Whatever kind you have available is good. Some diced up onion. And as you can see, our sauce already has some ginger and sesame in it. I had some garlic, but I used it on my last recipe, so I'm going to put a bunch of garlic powder in there because I really like it. While those are cooking up, I'm going to cook my broccoli florets and my green beans in the microwave. I might only use half the bag of each. Depends how many people you're cooking for. Go ahead and use them all. This could also be made on a sheet pan if you have everything cooked already. Just throw it on a sheet pan in your oven. I need to cook my peppers, so I'm going with my cast iron skillet today. So I have my frozen green beans and frozen broccoli in the microwave, just getting them so they're not frozen anymore. Have my peppers and onions cooking. You'll also need bean sprouts if you choose, garlic powder, fresh garlic, ginger. I love this Skinny Girl Asian Sesame-Ginger, sugar-free. I used the last of my sesame oil, some soy sauce, of course some fresh cut scallions. In my ground meat that I cooked, I did use garlic and onion in that, but I like to add a little more onion. Anything that adds flavor. Okay, so my peppers and onions are cooked down. That sesame oil makes it smell so good. I put my green beans and broccoli just in for about half the time they need to. I wanted them not to be super frozen anymore, but I still don't want them to be soggy. So add as much green beans as you like. Depends how many people you're cooking for. Get your broccoli in there. Again, depends how many people you're cooking for. Doesn't seem to be a lot in this bag of broccoli, so I'm going to go ahead and add it all in. I'm going to add in about 1 pound of this ground meat. I have about 2 pounds here. If I have room in mine, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and add it all in. Now I need to add in my ginger. Just a little squeeze. I'm going to add in some garlic powder. Nice amount there, maybe 2 tablespoons. Soy sauce, I don't have much left. We're going to add a bunch of that in there. We're going to add the Asian Sesame Ginger Sauce. You can add whatever kind you like. I know some people really like those roasted chilies right now in oil. That would be great in here if you want some sriracha sauce. Whatever it is that you and your family like. This sauce is just flavorful and delicious. I might even add a little Thai chili once I get to the end. We're just going to let that cook up till it's all heated through. Give it a little taste, see if we need to add some more sauce. But the flavors in this, I think we will be good. We'll serve this over our cauliflower fried rice, which I will make next after this is all done. Once it's heated, I'll add the bean sprouts in for the last 2 minutes or so. They don't take long to get hot. Alright, so the last few minutes of cooking, everything's heated up. How easy was that? Been under 10 minutes for this whole dish, just because I had the ground meat cooked. I'm going to add in those bean sprouts. Again, if you don't like them, you don't have to use them. I know a lot of people are making different sprouts in their houses now. That might be something I'm going to try, and just add all different kinds of sprouts into your Asian dish. Since we added those sprouts, I'm going to finish up adding the rest of our sauce. We're going to let that cook together. All right, it is done, and can't wait to try it. Hope you enjoy. Again, any sauces you want, any vegetables, whatever is good for you, but voila. Subscribe and like and follow me anywhere here. I'm going to be putting up the fried rice to go with this as well. Just click right here to watch the fried rice video.